I take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Shelly Taylor. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a minimalistic room tour. And just note that there are still going to be more pieces added to this room as far as adding more furniture. I need to change out the pictures in these frames behind me, but I still really love this room and I just want to share that with you guys. Before we get into this, you just scared the shit out of me. Before we get into this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Let's get into the video. The first thing here is the nightstand. And I really like this nightstand. We got this nightstand from Walmart. And even though I'm not a huge farmhouse, like I don't really like the farmhouse style, I think that this really kind of is what I envisioned as far as the color of the nightstand, the finish, everything. I really liked it. I love that it has this little handle here and you can store like books, like pretty much whatever. It's a lot of space in the nightstand to store whatever you want to store. And this bottom part right here, there is a charger so you can like charge your phone. And the top of the nightstand, the only thing I have at the moment is the humidifier, and we just have the TV remote and the light for the TV. Eventually I might put a lamp on both sides, but that would be about it as far as the decorations go. Like nothing too major. And next to the nightstand is the bed. I really love the bed. Like I really love nude, and that's kind of the theme I was going for in the room. The 3 pillows are from Walmart, and then this blanket here is from Target. It's really comfy and it feels so amazing. It actually has like some kind of weight to it, so it does a really good job at keeping you warm. I love using this when I'm in here watching movies. And these frames I got from Walmart as well. I really like that they match the nightstands. The border on them match the nightstands. The pictures are gonna be different. This is just what came with the frame. So eventually I'm gonna be switching out those to maybe something with like a black paint on it, like white and black, or something that has like nude colors in it. But yeah, this is the bed, nightstand, and the frame. Eventually there's gonna be a bed frame here too. I don't know what color yet, but let me know if you guys have any ideas in the comments down below on what color bed frame should be. But on this side of the nightstand, which is my side, I have a Chanel book and the Bible and just my phone charging. Nothing too major. And over here we have the curtains. I think I also got the curtains from Walmart. This carpet was here before we moved and it's really like dirty. So we're gonna change that out to wood flooring. So just note that. Once we do update the flooring, get the bed frame and everything, I'll do an updated room tour. But over here in this corner, I have a basket and then I have blankets in there. And I just have like some pampas hanging out of it. It just really blends with the curtain as well. And I like the black detailing on the basket. I think this is so nice. I also got this from Walmart and it's just so me, very pretty and very simple. And this is another blanket here. This blanket I got from Target, I believe. This is from Target. And on this side of the wall we have the TV, which is one of my favorite things in this room. I love being in here. I love the vibe. I love the lights being on at night. Let me see if I'm gonna turn down the lighting so you can really see how the light looks, but this at night is such a vibe. And then in this corner by the door is Christian's little bed. When Christian does sleep in here, this is the bed that he sleeps on, and he loves it. It's really comfy. It has this like what is this called? Sherpa? I think it's called Sherpa, but he absolutely loves being over here. Alright, well that's it for this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Shelly Teller.